Hello, let's know how to use IKmattress script. Drag and drop script file into Maya viewport to run it directly, or drop it into script editor window and execute it, or you can save it to current shelf. Set up a lim and click prepare, and it will be stored in your scene. You can set up an infinite number of arms and legs. If you close your scene and reopen it, run the script, and it will restore all limb data automatically. To active limb in the script window, double-click and you are ready to use it. Thank you for watching.